Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So YouTube just added a brand new feature, and it's one that I think is pretty awesome. And that feature is reuse details. So now if you actually upload a video, you see this option here. And once you click on it, you could actually use or reuse details from a previous video. So if I chose this, you can use the same title, description, playlist, tags, video language, short sampling, and category. And I find this is really super helpful and it'll save a lot of time, especially if you're going to be creating follow-up videos on previous videos, or if you're going to be uploading videos to a specific type of category or content type that you have, and you normally use the same type of tags or playlists. And so this is really awesome because this saves me the time in having to redo a lot of the same things I already did or to go copy and paste. So in this case, I'm going to reuse it. And I just changed a few things here and in the description headlines, but everything else I'm going to leave the same. And so I really feel this is one of those features that would be more useful for a lot of creators. And at the same time, the biggest thing it allows people to do is save a ton of time, especially if you are the type of person who uploads a lot of content frequently. So if you actually had any thoughts on this or any other new features that you've enjoyed, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my YouTube tutorials and tips, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at geekoutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below.